Welcome back. Now, as you can see, we can work successfully across both offline and online using Office 365. Now, the question is, do you have to be signed in order to use the documents? And the answer to the question is no. You do not have to be logged in order to use core applications on your device. However, when you want to save that document, you can also save the document onto your personal computer. However, if you'd like to be able to use the document online and you'd be able to use it without having to use the device that you created it on, you will need to be internet connected to save it to your online account. So while Office works traditionally, where you can save your document to your hard drive, you benefit most by saving your documents to the cloud so that you will not be tied to one device or one location where you can continue to work on your document wherever you are. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.